Welcome to aminacademy.com. In statistics, let us discuss about pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that represents the data in the circular graph. The slices of pie chart, the relative size of data, and it is a type of pictorial representation of data. The pie chart is also known as circle chart, dividing the circular statistical graphic into sectors or sections to illustrate the numerical problems. Each sector denotes a proportionate part of the whole. It contains different segments and sectors in which each segment and sector of a pie chart forms a specific picture, that is the total percentage. The sum of all the data is equal to 360 degrees. The total value of the pie chart is 100%. How to calculate a degree for each sector? That is a given data divided by total value into 360. Suppose a tabular column is given for some data, that is for subjects taken by some students, that is in schools, English, science, mathematics and French. This here some data are given. From that data, first to find the adding all the data, that is sum of the data, then we have to get the degree for each subject. That is how to do, that is data for the particular subject, that is science. For example, science divided by total into 360, it gives, for example, 36 degrees. For mathematics data divided by total data into 360, it gives 144, like French. Now after collecting the data and calculating the angles, you have to draw a circle. From the center you have to keep a protractor in one horizontal line. From that, each degrees you have to draw a line from center to that circumference. Now each sector have a different color, having good appearance about the easy understanding and good appearance in the for viewers. So the pie chart is very useful in business management and business environment. It's very much useful and easy to understand from layman also. Now given below are the some advantages to a pie chart, which are the reason for widespread application of the pie chart in different fields. A pie chart is a simple and easy to understand method to represent the data visually as a fractional part of the whole. So normal man can also easily understand, and it gives a pictorial understandings and good ideas about the business environment. So pie chart is useful in business environment. It provides an effective communication tool, visually simpler than other types of graphs. So normally if you are giving some numbers and sentences about the business development, and we have to, it is easy to understand by pictorial views and quicker way also. It provides an effective communication tool, visually simpler than other types of graphs. Other types of graphs, the pie chart is very attractive as well as easy to understand. Pie chart helps in data comparison for the audience and a glance to give an immediate analysis or to quickly understand information due to widespread use in business and media. Disadvantages also there. A pie chart cannot show more than a few values without separating the visual encoding from the data they represent. That is, they are not very effective when the number of values in a data set increases. More values in data, it is harder to represent in a single pie chart. It does not easily reveal exact value in the data set. To show the changes in the data, many pie charts may be needed. It therefore fails to explain the causes, effects and or pattern. That means, so business environment have different types of data all in one picture. We cannot show in pie chart, so we need different pie charts for different environment. so it has some disadvantages also, but it have more advantages than disadvantages. So far I have done about what is pie chart and some picture about, we explained the pictures of that pie chart and advantage and disadvantages we done. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.